Over here, you can select the type of character functionally in your story, whether they're protagonist, antagonist, sidekick, skeptic, all of the 8 archetypes, or if they're a complex character that isn't archetypal at all. You choose that here, and if you choose any one of the archetypes, Dramatica will automatically assign those character elements or traits to this character. If you select complex, it merely notes that you're not using an archetypal character and awaits your decision about what elements this character will contain. Unassigned is simply a clue to you that you haven't determined anything about this character yet and still need to. Now the typecast button is kind of fun. When you click on it, it opens a standard Find File window. And here, this has taken me to where the Dramatica files are stored. There's the example folder, which has the story examples, and also the character examples folder. And double-clicking here opens up all of the typecast characters available. We can choose to assign the character that we're working on right now in the character info window as any one of these stereotypes: the bully, the coward, the pessimist, the villain, etc. Now it's important to recognize that these are not archetypal characters. Archetypes are like a protagonist and an antagonist. But a protagonist might be a pessimist, or a protagonist might be a nerd or a bully, for example. These are storytelling conventions, stereotypical storytelling, and it has to do with what a character wears, how he talks, how he moves, what his physical characteristics are, for example. Also, socially, we kind of expect certain functional traits, like the protagonist or antagonist, to be associated with some of these stereotypes. So if we chose the coward, for example, this file contains information that's storytelling based on what they look like, how they act, but also contains certain social expectations of their function in the drama as well. It's important to know the difference between stereotypes and archetypes, and you should explore the Dramatica theory to understand that difference before assigning these. Otherwise, you might end up with something that's not really what you expect. But when you choose one of these functions, just click on it, select Open, and then it will be assigned to the character with which you're currently working.